couple of these subordinating conjunction tasks together before I set you off to do the remaining on your own. These are based on the review of subordinating conjunctions that we did together in class. And like I said, we'll just kind of work through them together the first couple of each section, and then I'll show that, or I'd like you to show that you can do these on your own. All right. Okay, Teil A, welche Konjunktion, that just means which one works with the sentence, which one makes sense. All right, and as a quick review, we know als is refers to past tense, always. All right, something that happened one time in the past, okay? And it's best translatable as when. So when I was a child, when I brushed my teeth this morning, when I went to Germany, it happened one time, and that is als ich nach Deutschland gegangen bin. Wenn is like whenever. Yeah, also kind of like when, but more like whenever. It refers to almost always refers to present tense and future tense. Okay, and it can happen more than once. Like whenever I go to the library, I like to pick out a DVD or something. Or whenever I go on a road trip, I like to eat lots of sweet snacks. Okay, so that would be wenn. Wenn ich zur Bibliothek gehe, suche ich ein Video, ein DVD aus. Okay, and then wann is also when, but always refers to a time, like of day. Okay, a specific time is always when we use wann. Okay, wann kommst du nach Hause? That means what time are you coming home, for example. And then ob can be remembered best by thinking of it as whether or not, or if. Like, do you know if he's coming? Do you know whether or not he's coming? Weißt du, ob kommt? Ob is whether or not, or if. Okay, so each of these have a very distinct use and definition associated with them. So they're not interchangeable, really. All right. Okay, let's look at number 1. Können Sie mir sagen? Can you tell me? Blank, der Zug nach Berlin abfährt. Abfahren means to depart. So which one makes sense? Is it in the past tense? Would we use als? Is it just whenever? Is it specific time related? A specific time? Or is it whether or not? Gut, es ist wann. We're talking about a specific time that the train is departing. Yeah, we need to be specific, otherwise we'll miss that train. Okay, Nummer 2. Weißt du blank, heute krank ist? Do you know blank, he is sick? I don't see anything past tense. Whenever he's sick, that's weird. I don't think so. What do you guys think? Gut, es ist ob. Do you know if or whether or not he's sick, right? We're not asking about a specific time that he's being sick. That would also be weird. Weißt du, ob krank ist? Okay, and then I'd like you to complete 3, 4, and 5 on your own, kind of using that same thought process, maybe just a process of elimination. Teil B. Combine the following sentences using the conjunctions indicated to create one compound sentence. So this is just really showing that you know about word order. Das is another really important high-frequency subordinating conjunction. He says, period. He's coming today at 10 o'clock. He says that he's coming today at 10 o'clock. All right, you know me. I love it when we make our sentences more complex, and this is a great way to do it with the subordinating conjunction das. So how would we do it? Take a minute and put it in the blank in the Edpuzzle. Sagt. We know that we always need a comma before the subordinating conjunction. We know that this is the original verb and that these subordinating conjunctions, they kick the conjugated verb to the end. And it's as simple as bringing down the rest of the sentence and putting this conjugated verb on the end because we're adding a das. Dass heute 10 Uhr kommt. Sagt, dass heute 10 Uhr kommt. Let's do the next one together. Ich fahre mit dem Bus. I ride with a bus. It's raining today. And we want to use this high frequency subordinating conjunction because you guys already know the coordinating conjunction den, and that doesn't change word order, but weil is very high frequency. We use it a lot and it does mess with the word order. So what are we going to do? Gut. This is the original verb. It's going to go to the end of this sentence or this clause in this case. And it goes like this. Ich fahre mit dem Bus because, weil es heute regnet. See, that conjugated verb goes to the end. I'd like you to do 3, 4, and 5 just like that on your own. Moving on. Teil C. We're translating these sentences into German using a subordinating conjunction. All right, I'll do a couple with you. If you have to look up words, that's totally fine. Do not use Google Translate and do your best with genders. All right, just want to make sure you guys have the general idea of putting, once we use the subordinating conjunctions, what it does to word order. All right, I don't know if he has a dog. This one looks like it could be replaced with a subordinating conjunction. Which one means if or whether or not? Good. Ob means if or whether or not. We know that from going over it just then, but also from our notes of our review of subordinating conjunctions. So I don't know. Ich. How's it going to continue? Gut, weiß nicht, ob, and then this is the verb, so I know hat is going to go at the end of this clause. Ob einen Hund hat. Whether or not he has a dog. Ich weiß nicht, ob einen Hund hat. Okay, Nummer 2. Let's figure out which subordinating conjunction we're going to use first. This one is, of course, did you guess it right? Das. Okay, it is important that we speak lots of German. This is a verb, so I know that's going to get kicked to the end because of das. And if important is wichtig, what's this going to look like? Go ahead and fill it in an Edpuzzle. All right, let's go. Es ist wichtig, dass wir, hold up on the speak, we know that goes at the end because of das, dass wir viel Deutsch, how do we say to speak? Sprechen. Es ist wichtig, dass wir viel Deutsch sprechen. That helps too, you guys. Say these sentences after you make them. It gets the pattern in your head a little better if you say these aloud. Okay? All right, now you guys go ahead and finish 3, 4, and 5. Gut gemacht.